2017 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter, one owner. He's had it since 2017, 50,000 miles, all original. You can always tell when it's a one owner truck. Look how clean that truck is. Beautiful. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter, factory third converter. He didn't want too much noise, he wanted more performance. So we hit him up with the BORLA Pro XS, part number 40359. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys, right there. So we cut the original muffler off. And with BORLA, it's a little bit smaller, so you have to always add a piece of 3-inch to continue it, you know, to let it flow better and to make it fit, as you guys can see there. Then he didn't want it loud, he wanted the performance, so we left the resonator on it right there. And to complete the look, black all the way around, we added a black 5-inch tip out the back, as you guys can see. And it is a LT 5.3 liter. There's the original muffler that was on it right there. That sucker's huge. And you always want to cut this valve off, guys. You can see inside of there. If you don't, when you do any kind of muffler modification on it, it will rattle because it's spring loaded. So you can see it's spring loaded, see? So it will rattle. So make sure you guys always cut it off when you do that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Here we go, guys. Ready to hear it? I know he's excited. That's idle. Give a guess? Perfect? It's not too loud, right? Here's sound decibels. Again? Right at 92. Let's see if the wife notices, you know? I don't think she will. It's perfect. It's not too loud. You wanted the performance more, guys. Go ahead and back it up. What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Couldn't hear it before at all, no. Heck yeah. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.3 with BORLA Pro XS, stock resonator, and 5-inch tip. Barely showing. Oh yeah, man. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.